Summary of the poem Aunt Jennifer's Tiger. In this poem, the poet describes a lady whom she addresses as Aunt Jennifer. The poet also says that she is doing embroidery on a piece of cloth that could be a wall hanging or tablecloth. Moreover, she had made it with beautiful tigers that are running fiercely in the green forest. Further, she described their beauty in the comparison to a topaz. As in the green background of the forest, they appear bright yellow. The company of men does not affect them as they are fearless. At this point, we can sense the contrast of behavior between ant and tigers. Although tiger made by her is fierce, she is afraid of her husband. According to the poet, tigers are the proud and fearless citizens of the forest, and these creatures are very elegant and shiny. So, the poet defines Aunt Jennifer's fear of her husband. While doing embroidery, she says that her fingers shake with the fear of her husband, and her husband does not approve her hobby of embroidery. Hence, she quavers and she is embroidering the piece of cloth. Also, it becomes difficult for her to pull the needle up and down. After that, she defines her wedding ring, which her husband gave her on their wedding day. In addition, she sees it as a kind of burden to wear this ring. She feels this because her husband tortures her so much that she sees the wedding ring as a burden instead of a beautiful gift by her husband. Due to the many difficulties she has faced in her married life, that she describes the little wedding ring as a heavy band on her trembling fingers. She also means that the ring is linked with some bad experiences in the form of torture that she has faced. Further, this experience relates to the dominating behavior of her husband. Now, the poet says that the aunt's design of tiger can easily sense her desire for freedom and fearlessness. However, the poet says that it is not possible for her to achieve this freedom during her lifetime. Only after her death she will attain freedom. But the irony here is that even then she will be tied with the chains in the form of her husband's wedding ring. And this ring is the only proof of the pains that she has faced from her husband. On the contrary, the tiger made by Aunt Jennifer will always portray her desire for living a fearless life by jumping boldly and proudly on a piece of cloth. So in this summary, the poet wants to represent the life of a woman who has to live under a constant fear from her husband, and also she will only get freedom when she will die. That's all. Thank you.